Welcome to 2026. Welcome to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. So, if you're seeing our video, it means that you are interested in how to make money online, how to increase your online remote job opportunities, online job opportunities that are without limitations. And at the same time, you're looking to change your financial status. So if this looks like you, then this channel is the right place you should be, because on this channel, we'll be talking extensively about how to make money online. Now, if you're looking for the quick way to make money, this is not your go-to channel. On this channel, we are looking at scam-free websites, scam-free links, scam-free accounts that can actually help you make money online. We are looking for long-term success, long-term ways that you can actually make money online. Self Hustle is a platform that is focused on showing you actual ways to make money online. It is focused on helping you build a financial system, or a system that works for you financially. Now, we'll be looking at legit websites that are free of scams that you can actually use to make money online. And we'll be looking at remote job opportunities that actually accept people from Nigeria and Africa at large. At the same time, we'll be stating criteria. I will not only look for anyhow job. I will let you know the demand of jobs so that you won't waste your time applying for jobs that you do not fit in for. So I would do more of my research and ensure to deliver you with websites and criteria for each job, which means that you will be able to know if that job is for you, if it is what you can actually apply for, and you will be able to know if it is not something that you would like to waste your time on. Also, we'll be looking at different businesses that can actually fetch you money in the year 2026. Yes, and we'll be looking at businesses that you can actually invest in with low risk or do not even have risk at all. But there are no businesses that don't have risk. So let's just say businesses with low risk. Aside that as well, on this platform, we'll be sharing websites where you can apply to the job, company links where you can apply to the job directly. Now, if you do not have experience, it is not a problem. We'll be sharing with you companies that are willing to hire you for internship purposes, where you can actually intern with their company as well. Or in this channel as well, we'll be looking at a lot of ways that you can actually make money online, grow yourself online, do little tasks online that will actually fetch you something to actually pay your bills. So everything generally about finance, make money online. We'll also be recommending to you books you need to read that will actually help you, change your mindset about how you see making money online, how you can actually improve your mindset and understand what it means for you to actually make money online, how you can actually make that money and at the same time save from that money, not squander everything on unnecessary items. So we'll be sharing a lot of that on this platform. So if you are seeing this video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Self Hustle, and I would like you to do was support your girl by hitting the subscribe button, liking this video, and sharing this video with someone next to you that's actually willing to take a bold step, willing to see opportunities, willing to make their life better in 2026. So with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.